Hello everyone, my name is Imran and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how you can create a project on Android Studio on Windows 10 or 11. It's a very easy tutorial, so let's get started. First of all, obviously you need to install and open Android Studio, and if you haven't installed this Android Studio yet, you can check the link in the description or you can check in our channel also. Once you do that, open your Android Studio, click on new project. After that you will see something like this. I'm going with the empty activity, and you can see we have so many options like bottom navigation. These are like a templates for phone and tablet. On the left side of the menu you will find Wear OS, like smartwatches and television and automotive. Right now I'm going with this one. Click on next, and here you can just name your project. So I'm going with my application, and the save location, package name, everything would be the same. Don't change anything. After that, click on finish. Once you click on finish, you will see this window and you can just allow this access. And obviously all the process which I'm going to do over here, it's the same as Windows 11 and also Windows 10. So both of them are same. But before we go further and do something over here, at the bottom you will see that we have some downloading options over here. It might take some time. It will take some like 5 to 6 minutes. So make sure, wait for a while. Once it's done, I will show you what you're going to do. You can remove or minimize this if you want. So I'm going to do that, and you just need to wait for this one. So once it's done, as you can see, this is how it looks like. Everything has been done over here. At the bottom you can see that we don't have any loading up right now. On the left side of the menu you will find your folder and also manifest and the Kotlin file, and the main activity is this one. This is by default code over here, and you can put your codes over here. And if you want to see how it runs, at the top right corner, you can just click on this one, split. And here you just need to click on build and refresh. It might take some time to load up. Right now, you can see we will see only Hello Android over here on the right side. This is how it looks like. So obviously, if you want to preview something which you are going to write in code over on the left side over here, you can see that on the right side. So wait for a while, it might take some time. As you can see, it's initializing, and here we are. As you can see, Hello Android. Obviously you can change this if you want, and we can add multiple things if you want. On the right side you will see immediately it start compiling, and it works like this. And once you connect your mobile phone on your device over here, make sure to enable developer modes. Once you enable developer modes, USB debugging option will appear, and you need to enable that. So what happens if you connect your device, your Android device, on your desktop? At the top you will see it will appear over here. So at the top you will see that I have connected my mobile phone over here. Once you connect that, you will see this one. Make sure to enable USB debugging option in your Android device, otherwise it won't show up. Once you do that, just click on run over here, and if you are happy with your application on the left side, once you do that, click on run. What happens that Android Studio will send an APK file to your mobile phone. That APK file you can install in your mobile phone, and you can use that. So if I send this one, that means I can install Hi Android preview on my mobile phone. So that's it. This is all you need to know, how to create a project on Android Studio on Windows 10 or 11. Both processes are same. So that's it. Bye bye. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Take care.